it's Laura. Today I'm going to share with you my tips on how to hula hoop. Tip number 1, find the right size hoop. Now this is probably the most important thing that you need to do. You need to find an adult size hoop if you're an adult, okay? The bigger the hoop, the better. My hoop is a 40-inch hoop and that's pretty perfect for a beginner. Children's size hoops are going to be way too small, they're going to go really fast and really zippy around your body, and when you're learning you need more time, so find a bigger hoop which will allow more time to go around you. Tip number 2, your stance. I stand with my feet nice and wide. My feet are wider than my hips, so you've got a really good base. Tip number 3 is to place your hoop on your waist, so really push it where you want it to go. So after you've got your stance, I'm going to use this hand here to push my hoop onto my waist, okay? So the hoop knows where it's going. If I kind of just, let go of my hoop, the hoop's not going to know where it's going, so you really want to guide that hoop onto your body. Now some people do hooping to their left and some people hoop to their right. This is something that you're going to find out once you start hooping, so have a go in both directions, okie dokie. And lastly, tip number 4. Now, most people think when you're hooping, you're going to make kind of like a big circle with your body, but that's not the case, all right? We're going to wiggle from side to side, okay? There is another way which I'll go through in a moment, but for now, with your feet nice and wide, grab your hoop, place it on your waist, and then we're going to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So I'm pushing into that hoop, so push, 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 okay? Hands can come out the side, don't worry about those right now. The other way that you can hula hoop is by placing one foot in front of the other. So I'm just going to turn so you can see me here. I'm going to push that hoop onto my waist and I'm going to rock forwards and backwards. Okay? So it's entirely up to you which way you hula hoop, but there's 2 little ways of standing that could help you. Alright, neither one's right or wrong, it doesn't matter, whatever feels good for you. Okay guys, so those are my tips on how to hula hoop. I hope you found that useful. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a little message down below and give me a massive thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!